Satang kharwei sngi ban long election ha Garo Hills Autonomous District Council uba prestone tynsong uwei ni he ke NPP ulaitu ban Nalor bo myntri rangbah conrad ke sangma uladan lupa shi Garo Hills nak liang jong u bar kiwei par ke nongialam kin Hiar ban leit ialap election ha kaba ka seng NPP kadon ke jingkyrmen kaba biang bha ban yo thaw ye ke EC.
Next week, I'm also joining our Chief Minister. Our Chief Minister is now, I think I should say, he don't have time to sleep also. Each and every constituency he step in, and then I will join him next week. Then few senior leaders also will rush to Garo Hills election campaign, like Dr. Khaluki, then few senior ministers, and then sangma, myself, and quite a number of our party functionaries will also be going there too. And then the input that we received today is we are in a very good position. So hopefully we'll be able to cross the magic number, the required number of at least minimum 15 to 20.